So my company or my organization aims to empower persons with disability, women and youth on wheelchair repair and services, and also assist them on opening their wheelchair repair hubs all over South Africa. Devices are issued, but there's no repair, there's no servicing, there's no maintenance. We are empowering people in their local communities, in townships, and forgetting rural villages to make sure that all those devices are repaired and serviced. And also empowering others to own and manage their own service centers, so that also they can have or run these repair hubs throughout the country. Since I joined the UCT and Betha Center, they have given me or enlightened me actually on how to run your business. I've been, I would say, highly empowered since I started joining them. UCT, I don't want to lie, they did good for me. They've actually changed our mindset. I'll say especially myself, my mindset on how I look at the business and how do I want it to scale, how do I want it to grow, and how I want to be successful also and empower more people or impact most of the communities. How Zacharia defines success? For me, I want to see how many lives have I impacted, how many people I have touched or changed, how many are running their own organizations or their repair hubs successfully. I envision Chief Ralekhudu Enterprises in all provinces, now not only piloting, but making sure that in each and every province we have at least 3 container workshops that are run and managed by persons with disability. This is the aim, and this is what I'm envisioning, and it's possible.